Scatman's World.
Hey, how you doing? Ready to get out there and show them what you're made of?
Yeah, ready as I'll ever be, Coach.
Look, I don't need to tell you this is a huge opportunity for you and everyone else playing this game. You make a good impression, you'll be a lock for the first round. Don't get ahead of yourself. Right now, just focus on playing your game and showing everyone what you can do.
Oh, I will, Coach. This is what I was born to do. Time to let the world know.
All right, listen. Before we get out there, I want to talk to you one more time about Jackson Ellis. You'll be matched up against him for most of the game. It's inevitable the scouts will be trying to see who'll make the better pro. I can tell you firsthand, he's not a player you want to take lightly. You up for the challenge?
Yeah, I know it's not gonna be easy. I got some respect for Ellis in his game. Yeah, I'm gonna do my best to shut him down, though. It's gonna be quite the battle.
Sounds like your agent has you well prepared to deal with life in the spotlight. Either that, or you're one of the most well-adjusted kids I've ever dealt with over these years. You just be ready for Ellis, okay? Now we got a game to play. See you out on the court.
Hey man, you ready for this?
What's up, Jackson? Yeah, I'm ready. I didn't expect to see you till we got out on the court, though.
Yeah, well, it looks like they're gonna have us match up for most of the game, so I just want to let you know I ain't gonna be taking it easy on you.
Whatever, man. Ain't nothing stopping me tonight. This is my shot. Ain't nobody gonna hold me back, especially not you. Yeah, don't worry though, dude. I'm gonna make sure you show up in the highlights.
Really think you could bowl with me, huh? Yeah.
The whole world's gonna be watching.
Oh, really?
When I blow by you.
Really?
Over and over.
Guess what?
And over
Guess
again.
what? I guess I'm gonna have to make it my personal mission to get all those scouts to see how I destroy
Hey,
you.
whoa, chill, man. We not doing this right now. Hey, Jack, man, I think they're ready for you. Hey,
I see you out there, chump.
we're just trying to get in your head. Don't let him. Hey, you gotta focus on the game. We'll be seeing plenty more of him in the future.
Man, I'm gonna teach that dude a lesson though, whether it's on the court or off the court.
On the court. We can't afford to have you getting sidetracked dealing with some drama. Hey, just shut it out, man. Play your game. You feel me?
Yeah, I feel you. Thanks, dog.
Live from New York, it's the NBA Rookie Showcase game, featuring some of the hottest basketball talent from around the world. As they will put
Bella raga, ciao a tutti dal Cumendone veneziano. Ragazzi, siamo su NBA 2K14 con la carriera cumendiana. Non ho scritto Cumenda veneziano sul giocatore perché non potevo, era offensivo secondo loro. E quindi ragazzi cominciamo questa nuova carriera con la Next Generation. Le premesse sono meravigliose, incredibile, addirittura c'è Oladipo. Non è come l'altro che sono parti subito così alla cazzo, invece qua c'è anche un pre, insomma, rookie show. Guarda che bello ragazzi, è veramente incredibile quello che hanno fatto.
composed shooter from outside. Cody Zeller, the stat sheet stuffer
Cody Zeller.
from Indiana, knows how to produce an agile 7-footer who can
Che bello, che figata, ragazzi. Fanno vedere tutti i migliori.
Alex Len, the tower of amazing physicality. He has the potential to be an instant impact player down low.
Speriamo di fare. Piacerebbe andare in un bel team, una bella squadra. Chicago non è andata male l'altra volta.
Live from New York.
Che figata, ragazzi. Che figata.
Kevin, thanks for joining us. We'll watch some of the
Vai ragazzi che ci siamo. Rookie Stars, The Elite.
anticipation of the upcoming NBA draft.
And because that's the case, Kevin, no
Vediamo un po' cosa succede. L'obiettivo è quello di andare in una grande squadra. E soprattutto in una squadra dove che magari non c'è un playmaker fortissimo, perché Chicago è vero che è una bella destinazione, però è anche vero che mi sono un po' aiutato anche con qualche trucchetto per avere un livello di giocatore più forte. Adesso invece devo farcela con le mie forze, ragazzi.
Take a brief check at the matches. Our starting five for both teams. And guys, what are we going to be looking
Vai,
for this
Comendone.
one from Oladipo?
He plays with a frenetic energy, great rebounder and defender. With his strength and athleticism, I think Oladipo
Dai che ci siamo,
has
ragazzi.
become one of the best perimeter defenders in the NBA.
Love his game. Victor
Mamma mia che gioco, ragazzi. Che gioco.
Gets it done at both ends, fellas. The real deal, and I think he's got a really good future in the NBA.
Vai, e si comincia, inizia la carriera come indiana.
Rookie showcase. When you look in the stands,
Oladipo.
celebrities, the stars, they're everywhere. You got press, scouts, GMs, and then you add in the players and the fans. I mean, the build-up and the excitement for this exact
Mi sono messo versatile questa volta, quindi non finalizzatore,
performance of these young
perché voglio saper fare tutto, ragazzi.
I've been looking forward to this for a while.
Oladipo e c'è.
You can really feel the buzz in the air. I mean,
Bravo, Ola.
talking about the players and what's to come of the upcoming draft, and there's
Ce ne almeno
an
10
awful
punti in
lot
questo quarto, che
to be
spo.
excited about this time of year.
And you know, when you look back to last year, guys, we got to see Anthony Davis, Damian Lillard, Bradley Beal. You're talking about
Si è messo guardia, abbiamo messo.
entered the NBA for the 2012-13 season.
Anche se io sono playmaker.
You're talking about guys that really entered the league with the bang.
Guarda che belle anche le riprese, mamma mia, ragazzi, che roba.
Because he was productive, but also he and I share the same
Che gioco, ragazzi, che gioco.
Ohio State University. And what a great rookie
Vai,
year
Kuma.
we saw from Dion Waiters. In this game, for the players, an exciting moment.
That's right, Clark. And
Bravo Kume, e ci sono 2 punti.
for these young men,
Bravo Kume.
of these games, absolutely enormous.
Siamo contro Ellis, litigata prepartita. Occhio.
Bit from Bennett. Ellis with it. Out guarded by
Ooh.
the chosen one.
Bravo.
Is off the mark from Bennett.
That's a shot you've got
Vai,
to take
Kume.
if you're looking for the three-pointer. I mean, the defense was nowhere around.
Anthony Bennett, a freshman power forward.
Vai Kume, e il Kume, mamma mia.
Play here,
Però c'è il fallo, bravo.
undergoing left shoulder surgery, but I guess his rehab is ahead of schedule.
Provenienza Italia, fantastico. I liberi devo migliorarli
I
però.
tell you, Canada has actually produced some outstanding players here recently. Tristan Thompson, Andrew Nicholson, Kelly
Bravo,
Olynyk,
dai.
all young Canadian players, not to mention.
Dai Kume, proviamoci a fare un gran quarto.
When you talk about upside, Bennett is the guy who has that.
Now here's Ellis.
Dai, marchiamolo bene.
Ellis left side.
Bello, però non ha segnato Ellis, ha fatto l'assist però.
Fine interior passing before that basket.
Vai Kume, numero 7, madonna, quanta differenza, ragazzi.
Here's the chosen one. Now the dish to Oladipo.
Vai Oladipo.
Pass to the chosen. 4 on the shot.
Bravo,
Offensive rebound.
That's an easy
Peccato.
shot there. That's a shot that he should make more often.
Occhio.
More with the ball. Now guarded by Porter.
Occhio Ellis. La museruola devo mettere a questo qua.
Dishes it to McLemore. Over to the left wing.
Occhio.
Three.
Bello, ma è nostra, è roba nostra. Vai Ola, vai piccolola.
Stars on defense. Big trail by one.
Bravo! E Kumenda come è partito?
You know, when you talk about size and explosiveness, this guy's
Grande
really
Kume.
good.
And that's part of why he's so highly regarded.
Grande venezianone.
Ways that other people simply can't.
Now here's Ellis. And McLemore kicks it
Merda. Bello. Bello questo maledetto. Vai Kume.
out. And it's the Elite's ball.
Vai, vai che passiamo.
First, about 3 minutes in.
Vai che passiamo.
Jumper off the screen.
Bravissimo, mamma mia ragazzi, come siamo partiti.
The chosen ones got 5.
Dai, 10 punti li possiamo fare, cazzo, dobbiamo star calmi.
Is what a surprise appearance he's making, Clark in today's game.
And that's exactly the way life goes sometimes. You can't always plan on
Buona difesa sul tiro, la può va però.
your way, but you got to be ready when it does.
Relax, relax come indiano.
From this young player, and I'm definitely going to have him on isolated camera myself. The scouts are probably wondering the same thing. Who in the heck is this kid?
Vai Ola.
Oladipo after the made shot from left. Here's the chosen one.
No, come l'ho persa male. Cosa volevo fare, cazzo?
To the left wing. And here's Ellis from beyond.
Bella, qua in un attimo da poter fare una bella azione ha fatto un cappellone. Vabbè, calma. Relax.
Quarter seems to dictate how big of a role he plays later on. He's off to the good start.
The chosen one passes to Noel. Here's the chosen one.
Vai Kume.
Covered by Len. So the wing on the left.
Vai Porter, vai piccolo Porter. Triplona. Ah,
The Elites get it back.
va bene, dai che va bene.
Earns a trip to the line. Official saw the contact.
Dai che va bene.
The Elites have shot 2 free throws.
Cazzo
and
però.
so far.
Poi sbagliami sto libero. Non devi essere una pippa come me.
Noel here at the pre-draft showcase.
Mamma mia che gioco, mamma mia che gioco NBA.
Surgery shortly thereafter. Normally there's at least a 6-month turnaround, but here he is.
Adams, he's checked in for Len. Now here's Ellis.
Occhio Ellis.
7. The feed to McLemore.
No, stoppata di merda.
Down low. Adams. Soft touch.
Va bene, dai, non è male comunque, non è male.
Talk about really
No. Merda. Secondo quarto, non sono riuscito a fare 10 punti,
a
vai.
little under 2.5 minutes gone by here in the second quarter. On the court right now for the Stars. We've got Muhammad.
Ragiona Kume, ragiona.
Then it's Ellis. And it's McLemore. at the
Grandissimo Kume, stiamo andando bene però,
And several people have said
Devo fare tanti
that he and
punti.
Jackson Ellis were spotted having
Devo dimostrare di essere un buon giocatore, un giocatore da buone squadre.
But I doubt they were talking about the weather.
Bello.
You think about what's at stake here in the showcase game like this. Hey, if that means having a few verbal jousts
Vai.
to get an advantage, hey, why not?
Bravi, bravissimi ragazzi.
That's for sure. And by the
Perché
way,
ci dai però?
this game is
Non è una partita da C, cazzo.
New York. You talk about being the center of the media universe.
Well, Steve, I even saw some cameras flashing before the game, taking pictures of you, my friend. You bring celebrity rock star.
Stoppata! Stoppore Kume indiano!
Unbelievable.
Bravo Kume!
The mecca for all things big. We know that, and the way the NBA has grown.
Si trova che questo era troppo un godimento. Va bene, dai, brutta scelta di tiro, va a cagare. Non è fallo mai.
Dai,
Kume.
Now here's Ellis. After the miss from the chosen one. Feeds it to McLemore.
Non si stoppate di merda, perdo punti così.
Bennett dishes to
Da
Ellis.
solo. Eccola là.
The shot from the wing. Ellis has got 11.
What can you say? I mean, he's good, and he's making sure everybody here
Vabbè,
knows it.
devono finire il quarto in vantaggio, dai fioi.
In the NBA, and he's showing he's ready for the challenge.
Here's the chosen one. 7 points in the game.
Non mi fido a tirare da fuori tanto perché ancora non ho trovato
Green. Rebound the Star.
il tempismo giusto.
There, got a really good
Merda.
being freed up by the pick.
We say it all the time. The execution was excellent. The result not as good.
50% del campo.
The Stars shooting their 5th and 6th free throws of the game.
E il primo va. E il primo va.
That one misses.
As we've gotten closer to halftime, their style has
Vai Oladipo.
more aggressive, more physical.
It sure seems like it has. They've spent a lot of time at the foul line this quarter.
Here's the chosen one.
Ah, che tiro di merda.
Time from Ellis.
E fallo.
Strong shoot. Even when he gets a good look.
Quei due coglioni però.
Idea why he was fouling there.
And even
difficilissimo rubare palla,
You can't be wrapping guys up like that. I mean, it just doesn't make any sense. That's a meaningless play.
Now here's
Dai Kume, ragioniamo. E che cazzo? No, è la mia! No! Ma fai schifo, Ellis, sei una merda di uomo.
from deep three-point range.
Not able to find it here in the second. He's
Ne l'avevo rubata, cazzo.
back just a bit after that one he had early.
They set the screen.
Bellissimo assist e silenzio.
Oladipo, good. Oladipo's got 6.
Grande assist.
He's managing to do whatever
7
he
punti e
wants
2
to do, and
assist.
that's a really
Non mi sembra una partita
demonstration.
negativissima per il momento.
For him, a lot of pressure in a game like this, but it seems to have brought out the best in him.
Che gioco, Fiori, mamma mia, quanto mi sto divertendo.
Well, over the break, I listened in on what the head coach for the Stars was trying to get across in their huddle. He doesn't want them settling for outside shots anymore. He wants their points to come.
Non sbagliano mai sti mignottoni.
Really start attacking that basket. Also, he wants them building a wall around
Mica
the
prova a
rim,
prendere il controllo.
forcing shots to come from the perimeter, not in the paint. So, Kevin, changes already being made on the fly
No.
here in the second quarter.
And thank you for that, Doris. Here is Porter after the made shot from Bennett. Here's the chosen one. He has 7.
Vai, triplone da casa tua e da casa tua! Grande, vecchio mio.
Himself going there, his first points of the game on the deep ball. Ellis with it. Now guarded by the chosen one.
Occhio.
Kicks it to Bennett.
Mamma mia, che dura Case.
He feeds it to Muhammad. Now here's Ellis.
E vaffanculo.
No good.
Something that's kept this game.
Dai, pareggiamola intanto.
Rebound totals are almost identical.
No separation there, not yet anyway.
Vai Kume. Che stoppata che mi ha fatto.
He's really been active on the
Che
glass.
stoppata che mi ha fatto.
Him, if he can rebound like this in the NBA, he'll make a team very happy.
Sono calato molto nel campo adesso. Eccola.
Good, and the assist goes to Ellis.
Vabbè. Calma Kume, non stai nervosirti.
In the game. There's 1:17 left in the first half.
Ho la mano ghiacciata adesso.
Here's the chosen one,
Persa palla, no, Kume.
and that's an intentional foul. And some stats here, guys. The scoring
Merda.
for the Stars.
Merda e ancora merda. Vabbè, dai. Devo stare più tranquillo, però. Primo tempo, iniziato bene, finito un po' da culo. Posizione draft. Devo perdere meno palloni, strappare più rimbalzi. Mica provo, vecchio.
And now we return to one of the highlights of the entire year. The Rookie Showcase brought to you by Champs.
Sono in vantaggio, sti figli della mignotta.
Still in attendance for the second half.
And, you know, never too late for these young prospects to make a great first impression.
Yeah, still time to show them something.
Dai, sappiamo che sta sto merdoso.
Here to do.
The chosen one in at point guard. Noel is out there with Cody Zeller.
Vai, vogliono un parziale di 6-0.
And at the 3. That's the group in the game right now for the elites.
Ma mettila però.
My way into the big event here is all the glitz and the glamour. I mean,
Dio
the
santo.
arena's decked out. You got vendors outside, the limousines with all the celebrities coming to attend. Tell you what, I'm just glad I'm wearing my best outfit because otherwise I wouldn't have fit in very well.
Yeah, you look sharp, buddy. You are as sharp as they come. And as we were talking earlier on, the paparazzi,
Dai.
all those other folks making their way
Siamo
out.
indietro purtroppo.
Because they're here, this has become one of their key events of the year here in New York. And that's saying a lot considering all that goes on.
Non abbiamo un gran punteggio.
And good on the second, so he makes them both. Leeds trail by 11. Second half rolling along now, about a minute played here. And
Vabbè, almeno il fallo, dai.
as he misses that one, drawing the whistle and a lot of contact there. That's on Anthony Bennett.
Niente, sbagliato anche il libero.
And 7 free throw
Momento
attempts
difficile adesso per il Kume. Dai, almeno questo è andato, manco male. Non è stato così bene, porca
Now
puttana.
Muhammad.
Dai, relax.
Ellis outside. Len sets a screen for Ellis. There's the pick. pass to Bennett. No one near him.
Ah, ma sì, vabbè, però sti qua veramente sono delle merde umane. Mamma mia, sono un ghiacciolo.
A 12-point game. Here's the chosen one. He's guarded by Ellis.
3 secondi difensivi.
This one on the defense. The Elites have only made 2 attempts shooting poorly
Bravo.
in this one. And the
Però siamo molto molto indietro. Vai Zeller. Vai Zeller, sono qua. Zeller, sono qua.
First minute and a half of basketball here in the third quarter. The chosen one passes to Porter.
Non perdiamola.
Clock at 5.
E mettila dentro però.
And the Stars leading by 11. McLemore with the ball.
Bello, mi è piaciuto questo.
That's good.
And another gap in the defense found right there. This is one of the worst.
Devo assolutamente svegliarmi e fare qualche punto dal campo perché sennò so cazzi.
And we're just about 2 minutes into the second half now. Dish now to Oladipo. This is it to the chosen one.
Vai
The
Kume.
feed now to Porter.
Bravo.
With the jumper from the elbow.
Oh boy, I love watching these guys.
37%, non bene, non bene. La percentuale realizzativa del Comenda adesso. Non eravamo partiti benissimo.
A little under 2.5 minutes gone by here in the third. Ellis off a bit from left. McLemore with the ball.
Non stiamo impressionando i scout sicuramente.
Pulls from the top of the key.
Ma che do coglioni però.
Ellis has got the lead up to 13 now for the Stars.
And, you know, when you talk about this showcase game, the question is always, how much should GMs weigh this single game versus
Dai, tira però.
I've sat in that chair.
E adesso che non mi dà neanche l'assist, va a cagar, va.
You can't, as a scout or GM, you can't let one game really determine your opinion of a player.
Find out what
Punti di attacco, pick and roll, contender, rimbalzi.
Last break, I heard the Elites coach as he addressed his team. He mentioned the need for more use of the pick
Terzo
and roll.
quarto non
It's a basic
positivo.
component of
Terzo
their
quarto
offense
non
that he said
positivo.
he hasn't seen nearly enough of. The next message he had for them was that they should be
Fa quello che vuole ormai.
He felt very strongly that the defense they're up against is vulnerable down low. Well, they need to make something happen before the
Palla persa, evviva.
maybe those changes will do the trick.
And as always, Doris, thank you.
Vai.
Here's the chosen one.
Bravo Kume.
The chosen one's got 10 points.
Bravo Kume, questo è stato un bel canestro.
He and Jackson Ellis have a similar skill set. You know GMs can't help but
Che mi segna sempre ragazzi. C meno, C meno.
On each of them to not
Dio che
only
disastro.
on their own, but also to outshine the other as it could decide where each of them ends up in the draft.
Bravo, bravo Kume. Questo è un gran passaggio, Questo è un gran passaggio.
even when they're down, he's still looking to do the spectacular. And he
Ogni tanto qualcosa di positivo riesco a farlo, però
The best time
ho perso 3 palle, cazzo.
now's when they need a little spark anyway.
Ellis can't get it to go. Leads
Vai
by
Kume.
11.
Se dobbiamo fare.
Here's the chosen one.
Vai Ola. Vai.
The Elites need to get off a shot.
Mettila. Bravo, bravo, bravo. Bravissimi. E arriva l'assist, 10 punti, 4 assist. Dovevo fare la doppia doppia a sto punto. Tararararara.
19 points in
Che
the
non
game.
posso più permettermi di perdere palle. Bravo Kume. E ruba anche la palla. Il Kume è tornato ragazzi.
Here's the chosen one. He dishes it to Noel.
Vai Ola.
Here's the pass to Zeller.
Bravi.
To shoot.
Che cazzo però.
Misses. And the Stars leading by 9. McLemore with the ball.
I rimbalzi mi mancano purtroppo.
Bennett. And he drops in the
Merda,
layup.
la perdiamo la partita però.
Bennett's got 11 points.
A great showing for him today.
Well, you know, we talked about where he's projected to go in the draft, but with performances like this, he'll be on the rise.
Vai Kume, vai un bel numero.
Here's the chosen one.
Vai.
He's guarded by Ellis. Here's Oladipo.
Ah, che tiro di merda, Ola.
And here's the Stars. And it's Ellis penetrating. Vicious to McLemore.
Occhio.
Feeds to Bennett.
No, non perderlo, Marchetto. Almeno tu devi difendere bene. Però in faccia così, cazzo.
Bennett's got 8 points in the quarter.
And the word coming is this guy can flat out score.
Quarto.
Here's the chosen one.
Niente, non trovo spazio.
Final quarter of play. About
Vai, tira.
half off the clock into it.
Non puoi sbagliarlo così, però. Bravo, sì, però non può sbagliarmi un tiro da solo così.
That's some grit and determination in the coach. Essential qualities to have late in the
Dai, come non ne vogliamo. Un ultimo quarto degno di nota.
Generate those easy opportunities.
On the floor for the Stars. Ahmed is out there with Bennett. Then it's McLemore.
E la mette dentro, madonna che sfiga.
And it's Carter Williams in at the point guard position.
You know, I think he's opened some eyes with this performance out here.
Yeah, not one of the really big names here, but I think he's playing well.
Bravo, come questo deve essere dentro. No, ma no.
Bennett's got 8
Che
rebounds.
palle.
Bennett will drop
Mamma mia, che scopola, ragazzi.
and it's a 10-point Stars lead. They need a good offensive possession.
Yeah, they've had a number of improvements.
Bravo, bella assist, bella assist.
Find something right.
Dai, che stanno arrivando tanti assist oggi, però.
Teammates out there.
That's something he'll definitely bring to the table.
10 punti, 5 assist. In realtà, come punteggio, ma
Make plays for
stiamo andando male che in difesa, fermo da cagare.
Carter Williams. Kicks it to Muhammad.
In difesa fermo Reader.
Williams. Pocket 6.
4.
The Stars need to get off a shot. It's going to be a 20.
Dai, infrazione, dai, veloci su.
They turn it over. The Stars making a switch here. Ellis is checked in.
Non permettere, mica provo, vecchio, ma è dura.
Fourth quarter. Here's the chosen one. He's guarded by Ellis. And here's Oladipo.
Vai Kume, vai ragioniamo.
There's the pick. The chosen one.
No, perderla, madonna, però.
Fast break chance.
Bravo, ma dai, però che cazzo.
I like what we're seeing from him defensively.
Fio, è veramente dura, veramente
That's smart.
dura.
The scouts are looking at that as much, if not more, than what you do offensively.
Off the screen. That is good.
E me la mette in faccia sto stronzo di Ellis di merda che mi... Madonna, lo bastono,
He's
cazzo,
been
fine
one of their
partita.
more reliable options today, guys. I mean, his shooting has led them to this lead.
The chosen one.
Tira.
The board.
Bel tiro di merda, bel tiro di merda.
Plenty of pressure in a game like this to impress. He has
Now the pressure
Cazzo,
might be
livello
changing.
C, fio, livello
Everybody's in
merda
the same
proprio.
boat here.
Out left to the wing. Here's McLemore. Cannot hit. Some solid
Buona difesa
defense
sul
from
tiro,
the
ma
chosen
come...
one. Leads trail by 10.
Vai,
Kicks it to Noel.
vai Porter.
Now here's Porter, guarded by McLemore.
Bravo.
He's good. And it's 8 points for Otto Porter Jr.
And now both of these
Madonna Ellis, bisogna bastonare Ellis, ragazzi.
already a high-scoring game, but it has become an offensive showcase down the stretch.
Ellis kicks to
Bennett.
On baseline J. Zeller.
Dai, veloci, bravi.
Zeller's got rebound number 5 here tonight. Porter dishes to Oladipo. Out to the wing. The chosen one.
Mettila, ma però dai, cazzo, che pollo.
Here's Ellis. And he drew
Mamma mia che casino.
the line for 2. It's going to go on Otto Porter Jr.
And what a tremendous game for Ellis.
Qua, in realtà non siamo tanto lontani, il discorso è che non siamo continui. Dai, 3 minuti, cazzo, nel basket è un'eternità.
Here's the chosen one. He's guarded by Ellis. Here's the chosen one.
Bravissimo Kume, grandissimo.
Find out what Doris Burke has for.
Well, over the break, I listened in on what the head coach for the
Grandissimo,
Stars
punto
was
pesante
trying to
questo,
do.
anche per il morale.
He said to them,
Dai.
"The lead we've got now is nice, but I want to make it even nicer. This is when we put the hammer down. It doesn't look like he's ready to back off just
No,
yet."
madonna, fallo del piccolola.
And
Fallo di
Victor
Oladipo.
Oladipo. That is his first foul of the game. Pass to Ellis. Dish now to Muhammad.
Bravo Kume, meno male, ho fatto la stoppata là, almeno non l'ho fatto tirare.
Knocked away.
Bravi, vai Kume! Bravo quello che l'ha recuperata, bravo Kume. Ci crediamo ancora, cazzo, 5 punti. Che finale, ragazzi. A New York.
Passes to Bennett.
Rookie. Questa è la serata dei rookie.
1:56 left to play here in the
Calma, relax, relax adesso.
Leeds trail by 5. Here's the chosen one. And Noel.
Ti prego, Ola! E Ola non la mette. Non ci voglio credere. Cosa ha sbagliato Ola?
Ellis with it. He dishes it to Bennett. From 12 feet out.
Bravo,
And it's
bella
a
stoppata.
They'll keep possession.
Siamo là, ragazzi, siamo là. Bravo Kume, è recuperata. Seconda palla recuperata dal Kume.
Here's Porter.
Sì cazzo! Sì cazzo, meno 3.
Now just a 3-point Stars lead.
These defenders are not
Meno 3.
fight on the interior. It's been embarrassing. That's 10 consecutive points allowed in the lane.
Bravissimi, bravissimi.
Streak you want to have if you're playing defense.
Bravissimi, calma Fioi, calma. Ribaltato tutto all'ultimo quarto.
Kevin, during that last break, I heard the Elite's coach as he addressed his
Ellis di merda.
very aggressive defense.
No! Bravo! Bravissimo ancora rimbalzo.
Let's make some steals and block some shots.
Mamma mia che tensione.
They're operating under the principle that it's never
3 punti, madonna che partita adesso Fioi.
Kevin, over to you.
Thanks, Doris. Out to the right wing. There's McLemore. Will Martin
Bravo.
passes off the front end.
Calma, un minuto.
And so, here are the Elites. They trail by 3. Oladipo dishes to Noel.
No, no.
Zeller kicks to Porter. And there's the pass to the chosen. Feeds it to Oladipo. Just 5 on the clock. To the inside. Noel.
Ma fallo, meno male.
There's the hard foul. And Oladipo.
Mettine almeno uno.
Hey, look at Noel out of Kentucky.
Almeno no, vabbè. No, però deve fare in culo. Coglionazzo di merda.
His mobility is
No, è truccato. Ma vaffanculo, ma che scandali.
Steve, you mentioned the long arms, and that's not just for shot blocking now. You can get into the passing lanes, you can cause deflection, get to offensive rebounds. He's got excellent anticipation. He does things defensively on the
Mamma mia ragazzi. 27 secondi, ma adesso va la lunetta proprio lui, lo stronzo.
It's the first, and that gives them a 4-point cushion. And he hits both free throws here. So now it's a 5-point game.
Peccato, però va bene, dai come vola adesso, cerchiamo di fare qualcosa.
possession lead now.
3-second difference between shot clock and game clock. Here's the chosen one.
Bravo, no, ragazzi, sono delle merde, mi interessa. Non mi interessa, fate schifo, cazzo. Fate pietà, Dio santo.
Put on the first, and that increases their lead to 6.
Ecco, 2 su 2, basta, finita.
It's a 7-point game.
Free throws go down and the lead goes up.
Va bene.
16 seconds left in the fourth quarter.
Bravo Kume, bravo. Non mi possono dire un cazzo a me, porca puttana. 16 punti, 5 assist e silenzio.
There's 10 seconds left to play here in the fourth. And so they choose to
53 dal campo, fio, ha fatto il possibile, 0 rimbalzi, quello sì.
That increases their lead to 6. The Stars making a switch here. And he hits both free throws in. So now
9 semina il caos, corre in transizione, tira e volontà.
here's the chosen one. Here's Franklin. Here's Caldwell Pope.
Niente, finita, peccato. Però io sono soddisfatto della mia gara. Bravo Ellis, bravo coglione, bravo. Ci rivediamo in NBA. 141, Adesso vediamo se mi romperà i coglioni. Caricamento.
Hey, man. Just wanted to let you know that was a good game, even though I took care of business like I said I would.
Man, you played all right, but you ain't proved nothing. Me and you just getting started, all right?
La strada è ancora lunga.
You got a long road ahead of us, baby.
We gonna see on draft day, my man.
What?
Yeah, I'll be long gone, and you'll be still sitting there.
Ora sta merda umana.
All those cameras focusing on you, asking you what went wrong. Hey, better start preparing for those tough questions now.
Man, you really living in your own little trippy fantasy world, bro. I ain't worried, man. I held my own out there. Scouts know it's about more than just this game, all right? Yeah, looking all scared.
No, vabbè, lui sicuramente va davanti a me al draft.
Whatever helps you sleep at
Non
night,
voglio vedere di
dog.
incontrarlo.
I'm about to take the NBA by storm.
Ma scuotiti il pacco.
Don't matter what you think. Hey, at least you could tell your grandkids how you were the stepping stone on my way to greatness. Oh, looks like you got to catch up with the little man here. I'll leave you to it.
Man, him again? This looks like a situation that ain't going away anytime soon.
Yo, I'm sorry, man. I know I gotta control myself better with that dude, but he just gets under my
Hey,
skin,
man, you can't do that, all right? When you get to the NBA, there's going to be guys like that all over the place, man, just looking to get a rise out of you. If you can't learn to keep your emotions in check, man, you ain't going to last long in the association.
Yeah, I got you.
Hey, man, look, man, forget about all that, all right? I've been trying to get info, right, from all the scouts out here tonight, all right? Now, tonight could have gone better, but it seems like they're going to evaluate more than just this game, all right, including those intangibles. All right, so even though Ellis might still be ahead of you on the boards, man, you got a good shot of going in the first round.
That's what I'm talking about, baby. Look, man, I'm just glad to get this game over, man. So much pressure building up to it. Just ready to move on to the next phase, you feel me?
Hey, man, speaking of that, we got plenty to do to get ready for the draft, all right?
You the man, homie.
All right, man, go get changed. We'll talk later, huh?
Casa dopo la vetrina matricola, che sparo, è veramente
Before we
incredibile.
get started on this pre-draft interview tour,
Ciao, Fioi.
all right, we got a few things to go over. First, the NBA sent over this personality test for you to fill out so they can get an idea of how you think.
Che
what kind of
figata,
person you are.
ragazzi.
A test, man? Come on, really? All right.
All right, man, before that, though, let's talk about expectations. How you expect your NBA career to unfold. All right, we got to make sure we always on the same page when it comes to goals and expectations.
Okay.
All right, let's start with the where. If you had your choice to play for any NBA team, who would it be?
Allora ragazzi, questa prima parte, perché veramente sono diventato un video lunghissimo e comunque non voglio tagliare la partita, è stata bella. Chiudiamo qua, nella seconda parte partiamo con il test e tutto quanto. Va buon raga, comunque ragazzi è una modalità carriera meravigliosa. Raga, un saluto dal comandone veneziano.
Commenda veneziano, commenda veneziano, commenda veneziano, lo youtubers italiano. Commenda veneziano, commenda veneziano, commenda veneziano, lo youtubers italiano.